In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Discord status notifications. If you've been getting little pop-ups about people coming online or changing their presence and you'd rather keep things quiet, this quick walkthrough will help you take control without missing the notifications you still care about. Start by opening Discord on your computer. You can use the desktop app or the web version in your browser. The layout is essentially the same for what we're doing. Make sure you're looking at the main Discord window with your servers and chats visible so the settings icon is easy to find. Look to the bottom left corner of Discord. Next to your profile picture and username, you'll see a small gear icon labeled User Settings. Click that gear to open your personal settings. This is where you can change preferences that affect how Discord behaves for your account on this device. Inside User Settings, find the section called Notifications in the left-hand sidebar. It's grouped under App Settings. Click Notifications to open the page where Discord manages sounds, pop-ups, and other alerts. This is the central place for tuning what you hear and see while using the app. Now scroll down the notifications page until you reach the area called Status Notifications. This section specifically controls alerts about presence and status changes, things like friends coming online or similar updates that aren't messages from a conversation. These can be helpful when you want to catch someone the moment they appear, but they can also create noise if you prefer a calmer workspace. To turn them off, switch the status notifications option to the off position. When the toggle is off, Discord will stop sending those status-related alerts. There's no save button required here. Your change takes effect immediately. If the toggle looks grayed out or moved to the left, you're all set. A quick note for peace of mind. Turning off status notifications won't silence everything. You'll still receive important alerts like direct messages and mentions because those are controlled elsewhere and aren't affected by this specific setting. So you can reduce interruptions without missing messages that are directed at you. And that's it. Open Discord, head to User Settings, go to Notifications, scroll to Status Notifications, and turn it off. If you ever want those alerts back, just return to the same spot and toggle it on again. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, quieter Discord experience.